Good afternoon guys, it's Tom and Stuart from Clibbery Walks. We're up on Clee Hill today. It's very early November 2020, country's in lockdown, so we're going to try and provide some videos for you guys to watch again. It worked very well in the last lockdown. So today we are up on Silvington Common, not far from Cleeton St Mary, and we're going to go for a 2 or 3 mile walk. Love to take you along. So we're walking along the byway that goes from Cleeton St Mary, it's Goon, across the top of Silvington Common to the woods now. Some friends of mine camped up here earlier on this year, had a lovely day, but today we're just plodding. Such a nice day, early winter, late autumn, and make the most of it while you can. It's a nice walk, isn't it, Tom, so far?
Yeah.
I've only done about 200 yards. You see the woods coming into the view in the distance. We're heading towards those. Already decided where we're going to have a nice cup of tea and then move on back up to the van. Got the brown Clee over there in the distance in the cloud. It's an absolutely beautiful day. Busy up here today. Just been overtaken by a lady in front. She's going like the clappers, and somebody on a horse. Tom's getting to grips with his walking poles. These Trekology poles are actually remarkable value. If anybody's looking for some good walking poles, I think they were less than £40. And they're supplied with all sorts of accessories, and they're just really good quality. I don't think you can beat it. I bought a pair of black diamond ones at the same time, and they're a bit lighter, but not £60 worth lighter. We're walking alongside a bit of wet and muddy track. This bit of road, it's an ancient road, and it's open to people in 4x4s, and people live down the track, so that's not an issue, but it has been subject to a certain amount of severe erosion over the years, but currently at the moment it's in really good condition. And we walked up to here when I did the 5 mile walk on Silvington Common in the thunderstorm back in the spring. So yeah, it's a beautiful spot. I used to love mountain biking up here before my knees were knackered, but thankfully now found glucosamine is very, very effective at keeping me moving. So happy days. We're going to go up to the junction here on the edge of the wood, and we're turning right. We're going down the hill. We come from up there, guys, and we are turning down the hill alongside this beautiful piece of woodland that I've done many a sneaky camp in over the years. I'm not sure, but you know, this might be part of the old Hopton Estate wall. That looked like a lovely path down through there. We're heading down the hill though, on the stone track. Nearly time for a cup of, well, the first cup of hot chocolate. So just walking down this old stone lane, and it's incredibly beautiful. When we get to the edge of the woodland, the view's going to open up in front of us, and we're going to stop, have a brew and have a mince pie, because it's getting towards that time of year. What do you say to that, Tom?
Yes.
Mince pie?
Yes.
Nah. Now, this is a shout out to a guy who always comments on my videos, a chap called Steve Hathaway. Thanks for the support, buddy. It really spurs me on to do more. The reason I haven't done many lately is that I've been so busy with work and so busy getting the house ready for the winter, painting this and servicing that, and you know, working in the garden, clearing up leaves. But I had a gardener for a couple of hours on Thursday, which means that I don't have to do leaves this weekend, and it means that I can come out. So yeah, thanks Steve, and indeed everybody who watches my videos. They're quite good fun to make, a little labour intensive sometimes, but we love doing them. Yeah, I think Tom's enjoying it now, and yeah, what do you guys reckon to getting Tom to make a video of one of our walks? I think that would be a nice idea, wouldn't it? If you think you'd like that, let me know through the Facebook comments or YouTube comments. He's got all the equipment he needs, so I'm quite happy to post it on the channel. So let us know if you think you'd like to see it. Forward to the tea break. Well guys, we've got a new bench. This is splendid. Absolutely splendid. So we're going to stop and have a cup of hot chocolate now and a mince pie, and we'll catch up with you in a bit. I absolutely love this little rucksack. It's just perfect as a day sack. It's a Carrymore Special Forces Predator 30. The only changes I've made to it is I've cut the waist belt off because it came just under my rib cage. It's probably there for soldiers who are wearing webbing. I'm neither a soldier nor do I wear webbing, so it's just perfect. There's Tom after a particularly nice mince pie and hot chocolate break, and we are heading down the track there. This is a piece of footpath that I've never walked before, so it's going to be interesting. And just like camping, we've left no trace. Thanks to whoever put the bench here. It's been fantastic to sit on. What a beautiful autumn day, early winter day this is. We just got to walk down towards this little valley here, and this is the Crumpsbrook, and just got to find a footpath and the footbridge in the bottom and hop over. As I say, I've never walked this bit of path before, so it's a voyage of discovery. So we're just down the brook. Tom thinks he's spotted the footbridge. That is not the footbridge, that's not a right of way there. It should be up in this corner somewhere. Up. Ah, good. There is no footbridge. Okay, this is going to be fun. And that, guys, is why walking poles are a good idea. Smiley cheesy grin. Absolutely beautiful little glen. But the trees are very spiky, so just careful where you're walking. We're heading up through there. Right, we've got the last 20 yards of muddiness and then we're out onto grass again. Good fun though. He's having a great time. Getting him involved in the navigation as well, which is good fun. But, got to go up here and bear to the right and then just walk up till we hit the road. Beautiful day, sun's getting lower in the sky. We've probably got about another hour and a half of daylight, so we'll be good. We'll be back in the van in half an hour, I'd reckon. We're going to survive it, Tom?
No.
Of course we are. Right, so quick change of plans. We'd initially looked at walking on a footpath that goes up to the right, but it's completely overgrown with gorse. So we're taking a footpath ahead towards a cottage called Craven Cottage. Very clear landmark. We've got very good visibility today. So we're going to walk to Craven Cottage, get to the road, turn right, and then walk back up to the van. It's all good. It's all good. So our path's quite well defined. We're walking towards the building up there, probably 350 metres away. But 100 metres before that, we get to the road and we turn right. I lost the tip off my walking stick. It was a push on rubber one, so it's not to the end of the world. But not too bad. So far this has been an incredibly enjoyable walk actually. So just got to negotiate this, and that looks deep. Hang on. It does look deep. Yes, I'm going to get through this and then turn the camera off. So come on Tom, stick to the edges bud. Use your poles to stabilise yourself. Good boy. Nice big wide verge there. Good lad. Come on. Rely on your poles, that's it. Good boy. When you get over where the footbridge used to be, I think you're best off just using your initiative to find a path. And we're on an animal path now really. No human footprints, all cattle and sheep. And when you were 10 feet away from it, you couldn't see it. But it sped up our travel a lot, and probably only 150 yards from the road now, so it's all good stuff. Now you got the sun coming down over the Magpie Hill. So guys, we're back on the road now. and I can't pretend that that last half mile has been a real slog. The ground's completely waterlogged, but not too bad at all really. But if you look at that right there, guys, that is autumn, and it's amazing. We're so lucky to live here. Right, our job for the next 3/4 of a mile is to walk up this road, and then at the crossroads at the very top turn right, and our van is 250 metres down there. So keep walking. Right, so the glasses are steamed up. We're having a discussion about what the best 3 Star Wars films are. And controversially, I said Empire Strikes Back, Attack of the Clones, and The Return of the Jedi. What was your opinion, Tom?
It was Return of the Jedi, Revenge of the Sith, and Empire Strikes Back.
So we're agreeing on 2 of them, but yeah, it's interesting stuff. Somehow we always end up talking about Star Wars when we're walking, don't we?
Yeah.
So there we go. We're nearly done now. Just got to walk up this hill, this new house, and then turn right down a stone track. We're a few hundred yards down there. Here we are. Back to turn right. We get barked up by the dog and head down to the van. So here we go. The van's literally 200 metres away. It's been a beautiful walk. The reason I haven't got my glasses on, by the way, is my new glasses steam up a lot. Got to do something about that. But it's been the most remarkable walk. Bits of it I never walked on before, and absolutely beautiful. Right guys, well that's us done. It's been a fantastic walk. Say bye, Tom.
Bye, Tom.
Bye. Catch you again. Thanks very much.